Hey, what's up guys, John Lint here, and in this video we are talking about how to make traffic from any source work. What's the number one secret to make any traffic source work? Whether you're doing Facebook advertising, or maybe you are doing Facebook live events, live videos, maybe you're on YouTube and you're doing awesome videos all the time, or maybe you love doing social media and you're posting on Instagram. Well, there's one secret, one thing that you need to do no matter which traffic source you're using, one thing that you need to do to make sure that you are going to make that traffic source work for you, make sure you're going to generate leads, make sure you're going to generate sales. And that secret is you always want to capture the traffic first. That is the biggest mistake that most online entrepreneurs make. They're going to have, for example, ads on Facebook. And what they're going to do, they're going to drive that ad straight to a sales page. Yeah, some people might buy, maybe like 1%, at best 2%. But what happened to the other 98% or 99% of people who did not purchase? Well, they're gone now. So instead, you want to focus on capturing your traffic first, and that is by offering something awesome in exchange for their name and email. That way you can build your audience, build your email list, but more importantly, now you have a way for you to follow up with them, and that way you can send emails, provide even more value, and then maybe 1% bought straight away, but you're following up with the rest, the 99% of people who did not purchase. Now, some of them, maybe 1% is going to buy the next time you send an email, and then the next time you send an email, another 1%. So now you're going from 1% to maybe 10% in the next month. That is how you can maximize your profits. That is how you can make way more money. All right, guys, so always keep that in mind. Capture your traffic first. Thanks all for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.